How to buy items on Pandabuy. Hello guys and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're interested in buying affordable and high quality products directly from China, Pandabuy is a popular online marketplace that allows you to do just that. Whether you're looking for an electronics, clothing, or other type of products, Pandabuy has you covered. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to buy items on Pandabuy. We'll cover everything you need to know, including how to find products, how to place an order, and how to make payments. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently navigate Pandabuy and buy the products you want at great prices. So, let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, create an account. Now, to do that, you're going to have to click on sign up over here, or if you already have an account, you're going to click on login. So we're going to click on sign up first, and we're going to create our very first account. Now over here on the sign up page, we will need to enter our country over here, a username. You could choose any username that you would like to have. Select that and then enter your email. Any email would do. Then password and then confirm the password, and then you're going to have to enter the verification code, which is G2E6 over here. It's different for everyone. After that, you're going to have to click the accept Pandabuy user registration agreement and privacy statement over here, and you're simply going to click on sign up. Or you could actually continue with Google and Apple over here. Now after doing that, you're going to have to activate your Pandabuy by going to your email inbox and then clicking on verify on your email. Now over here, as you can see, this is the verification email of Pandabuy. We're simply going to click on the link given and we would be able to activate our account. And just like that, our email has been activated and now we are ready to log in into our Pandabuy account. We're simply going to click on login. And just like that, we would be automatically logged in into our Pandabuy account. Now let's begin our tutorial on how you could use and buy from Pandabuy. As you can see here below, it will tell you information about Pandabuy. It is an all service in one website. Basically, you're going to purchase your order on Pandabuy. They will be shipped to a warehouse and then you're going to check the quality before they would be even sent to your doorstep. As you can see here, this is very different from other e-commerce platforms or other shops online, wherein you would only be able to check and see the product and its quality when it arrived on your door. It is usually common to receive products that are below standards and are easily broken, and sometimes products that aren't even what you ordered. But with Pandabuy, you would be able to see the quality, the product that you will be able to receive before they ship it to you. You're going to have to quality check it on your own, and after doing the procedure, after making sure that it is the correct product, Pandabuy would send the product directly to you. Now, how do you buy products on Pandabuy? As you can see here, there is no other way to check out different products. So I'm going to teach you how you could buy from Pandabuy. Now, what you're going to do, as you can see here, it's telling you what you need: a product link, a name, or a shop link's PI. Basically, you're going to go to the internet, look for other products that you would like, and when you search it on Pandabuy, it will search similar or even exactly the same product that it has on its China online market. For example, you're going to go to Google. For me, I searched jacket techwear over here, and it gave me a lot of techwear suits or jackets over here. You're simply going to look for a jacket that you would like to find. For example, I want a jacket similarly to this one over here. I'm going to click this, and what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to save this photo. I'm going to save image as, and just like that, I'm going to save it, and as you can see, we have successfully downloaded the photo. Now what we're going to do is we're going to upload the photo, which is this one over here. And as you can see, I have uploaded it, and it's going to search through its online market similar products similar to our photos. And as you can see here, it's showing us products that are very similar to the photo that we have chosen, which is this one. And as you can see here on the first option, we have very similar products. Although they are not exactly the same, it will try and give you similar products that you could buy on Pandabuy. As you can see here, we have this models over here, which is pure black over here. It is very similar. We also have this one, which is actually super duper similar, which is this one. There's also this one. And I think this product is the closest to our original product over here, and we can simply buy this product over here. You can also explore through the different products and see if you would like similar products available in the market. It is completely up to you. And when you selected a product that you would like to buy, you can simply click on the specific product over here. We're going to click this, and we would be redirected to their product page. In this section, we would be able to see information about this product. As you can see here, there is different colors for this product, and you can choose from the different colors available on their market. And you could also do the same thing, click on find same, and it will also search for similar products related to this product that you have selected. Now, as you can see here, we have our title over here. You could copy the product link if you would like. You could see the pricing over here, which is Chinese yen, and it is 179. And there's also information here like domestic shipping is currently free. You could add here and send to a specific warehouse. This is the warehouse, Huzhou 3, and right now it is the only available. And you can also check out the sizes over here. We have medium, large, and XL over here, and then you could add the quantity of how many you would like to buy. And after choosing the product that you would like, you could simply click on add to cart or buy now. You could also click on agree over here, which is the displayed product is from a third-party platform, and Pandabuy only provides information, search, and purchasing over here. Pandabuy is not responsible for the quality and authenticity of the goods. And like I said earlier, you will be the one who would be checking the goods later on. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on buy now. And you would be redirected to the confirmation page over here. As you can see here, this is where you will be able to see the destination, the product details, the remark, the unit pricing, quantity, value added services. Over here, you could add extra photo if you want to have more photos for your product. You could also see the total, and over here you could simply click on agree. I have read and agreed this terms and services over here, and you can simply click on submit order. Now, there's also another thing you could use Pandabuy for is when you click on estimation over here, you would be able to estimate how much the shipping fee would cost. As you can see here, the destination is the Philippines, and you could choose the warehouse that you are. For example, our product earlier is from Huzhou 3, and we're going to select that. And on the mail restriction, basically the type of product that is being delivered. For example, we're going to go with the same thing here, like what the product we chose, clothing and accessories. You could choose from common brand, international brand, luxury brand, or built-in battery or magnetism. If your product has these items over here. For now, we're going to go with common brand. And after doing that, we're going to go with the weight. Let's say the weight of our product is 500 grams. The length and width and height, you're going to have to ask for the size of your product, or simply look for the description of the product that you have chosen. Maybe they have the length, width, and height. For now, we're going to go with 50, 50, and 50 just for the meantime, and you're going to click on inquire. Now it's going to show you an estimate on how much it would cost, transit time, and the warehouse over here. As you can see here, the EMS cost 1,105 yen over here, and this one also is 98 yen. It's different because they are different services. As you can see here, this is KR EMS and this is GD EMS. You will be able to see information about the different services and how much it would cost and how long it would take. As you can see here, there are other services over here, but they are not available because there are reasons like restricted reasons. The sum of two short sides is the longest size cannot exceed 167 centimeters. Basically, they have limitations on what type of product they would accept for them to deliver it. So after checking, you simply proceed with your order, and you would be able to order directly on Pandabuy. Now, if you want to do other products, you can simply do the same thing what we did. You could simply copy and download the photo. Going to put it here by clicking on the photo button, just like that. You can also click on select over here. You could choose from product and shop. If you want to see shops that are selling that, you can click on shop over here. You could enter the shop's name. And if you want products, you could do the same thing over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.